Hello, Muhammad. How are you? Yes. Today I take some videos for you about our factory, and you know that China is locked down, so you can visit our factory. I take the videos for you. I think it is same as you visit our factory. This is the gate of our factory. JUGAO CNC machine. This is a bare board of our factory, and this is a workshop of our factory, and we are close to the highway, so most Chinese people can see the bare board. We are one famous factory. This is a workshop of factory. You can see the CNC press brake, laser cutting machine, punching machine, rolling machine, and tube bending machine. Those machines are finished. We will send machines to our customer recently, and they are machines in making. You can see press brake bending machine, hydraulic. See, this is the CNC press brake. This CNC press brake is for our US customer. Your machine will be same as this machine, but the color of your machine is different. The color of this machine is blue and white, but your machine is orange. Yeah. See the servo motor and the ball screws and the linear guide.